morning, second graders. I'm excited to see you today. Well, for you to see me. Hopefully I'll get to see some of you at some point by your pictures that you post. But today is a day of, first of all, telling you how proud I am of you, of your moms and dads, of your grandmas and grandpas, of your nannies, for all the hard work that you put in yesterday. We made it through day one of our online learning, our distance learning, our learning that's a little bit different, but still fun in a totally different way. So our greeting this morning is to make sure that you show your appreciation to those people that helped you and to how you helped yourself get through some of the work that we did yesterday. We had to grow. Like our quote said, it's going to be challenging. It's fun. It's going to be intriguing, but you're going to make mistakes. So find a way to greet them in a kind way. Maybe it's a high five. Maybe it's a hug. I am sending you the biggest distance learning hug because I'm very, very proud of all of you. Our share today. So today when you add a response, you watch this video, I want you to add a response that tells me what you're going to do outside today. Today the temperature is supposed to be 55 degrees, about. But the best thing that you can do with this is go outside and play when you have time. Get out and get that fresh air in. So I will post what I'm going to do. I hope that you also post what you're going to do today. I have a picture from yesterday which shows that we're going to do again today. So I'll put that in the add response box. We're going to get to our message and then we're going to get to what our learning is going to look like today and we'll go from there. So here we go. Good morning. Today is 3/31/20. It's the last day of March. Can you believe it? We barely even went to school in the month of March. Our quote today is choose kind. My shirt says choose kind. I want you to show kindness somehow. I want you to really think about what that means. Being kind is something you can do every single day, no matter where you're learning or where you are. One thing that's really something to think about right now is we are all learning from home. That means we're also working from home. We're doing everything from home. So maybe your kindness is shown to your parents or your grandmas and grandpas or your nannies by showing kindness as they're trying to get their work done at home. Maybe you let them work an extra 5 minutes without bothering them. Maybe you do the dishes. Maybe you pick up the table after lunch today. Find a way to choose kind. We're going to think about them and talk about those things tomorrow. I want you to have a great day today. Love, Mrs. J. So we're going to put our hands in. 1, 2, 3. Johnson. All right. Now I'm going to show us our learning. I know that our picture in our video looks a little bit grainier today, and I'm hoping that it's okay because I'm going to be able to show you what you're going to work on today. So I'm going to see if I can share my screen with you, and you're going to still see me in the pocket. So today you are going to be doing a seesaw post, two kind of. And you're going to see it by here. So at 9 o'clock, your posts are going to come up. And it's going to look like this. So you always go to activities. Then for me, I have to scroll down so I can find it. One of your posts is called Scaredy Squirrel. It's right here. Many of us have read the book. So today you're going to listen to the book again. So you're going to click the link right here in the upper corner of it. And you're going to go in and you're going to listen to the story.
To fly around.
So here it is. Listen to the story. When the story is done, you're going to go up, you're going to click out of it like we always do, and go back into Seesaw. It's then that you're going to read the directions. It says, character traits of Scaredy Squirrel. Character traits explain how a character looks in the outside and how a character behaves or feels on the inside. So you listen to it, we click the link, then you're going to add response, and using the T tool, the typing tool, you're going to write 6 character traits of Scaredy Squirrel and then record it. It does say optional. It says after you use the mic tool to read your character traits, you can use a second blank page on the right side of your screen to write a story about the words that you use. So add response. Here it is. So I'm going to use my T tool right over here. And I'm going to type in my word. Maybe I type in the word happy. Then I use my T tool again. Then when you're all done, and Mrs. Johnson won't let me get to it because it's behind my little screen here, but there's an add page that you could add your story if you choose. Then choose the microphone to read it. and go up here and hit check when you're all done. Remember, the directions are always up here on the top. And I do have them read to you, so you can do all the above. So that's one job. Your other one is down here, and it's a must-do checklist, boys and girls. Not only do you get to do your Seesaw post, but you also have other things that we'd like you to do during the day. And right now, there's not a lot. You have a lot of choices, but there are some must-dos. So when I go in here, I can click here to see it. And my must-dos are Seesaw, Scaredy Squirrel today, read to self, which can be done with any book or epic, and then work on writing. We sent your journals home for you to write every day. So I want you to make sure that you're writing. Getting that in, making sure you tell a story or write a letter or do a journal. It doesn't have to be in your journal, but it can. This is like a little checklist for you to do. When you're all done with it today, and here's the directions, you can hit add response and go in and either tell me something and tell me what you did by drawing it, taking a picture, or maybe you just want to hit drawing, hit check, and then hit the check mark to post it so that I know that you got it done. Okay? All right, so those are your tasks today. Remember, other things that you can do. Freckle. There's the post by the media specialist. So if I go back and I scroll down, they're gone now, but yesterday in my journal, maybe it's still in there. And this is all the fun things that you posted. The specialist posted a page for you to, things that you can do for them. So freckle is an option, and then play outside. I miss you all. I hope you have a wonderful day. And with any questions, make sure that you let me know. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.